Let's do a new video of When Nature Calls here in the Got No Hills.
We're trying to preserve the planet
We're trying to preserve the planet
with
little fucking effort.
no, with little results.
As I was saying.
Efforts too, that's what you get, no results.
I have a Cheeto Crisp. It will be tasty, but there is a piece of tree to it. Do I flick the tree off because it is healthy?
They've been here 25 years, man. Across the street.
25 years?
Yeah, man. They lived in this woods, in this beautiful atmosphere for 25 years. They're looking forward to moving. They're moving back to the city in a couple of years.
Moving back to the city?
Yeah, closer to Gather because they're in their 70s. They're getting up there. He's getting old. She's getting up there too. She's just retired too. She used to go to work in Gather every day from here, every Monday to Friday. She's just retired, and now they're thinking in a couple of years they're going back home. They're going back to Gather. They're close to the hospital when they get sick and they need care and all that.
Isn't that something, right?
Yeah.
And
They were telling me that.
That's what my health insurance man talked about. You know, you live your 20s, blah, blah, blah. Speedy, whatever. 30s, you're starting to think. 40s, well, you're thinking.
I never
50
thought
over
I'd be,
the
I never thought I'd be pushing 54 alone. No kids, not even a dog now. Wow. It's like, wow, man. My life has really changed. I didn't see this coming. It's like, what? But then again, I look at so many other people in their relationships, they're so miserable. And I'm thinking, yeah, well, Steve,
I did it my
if I
way.
can't have what I want, why settle for something that's going to drive me crazy?
Oh, for sure.
You know what I mean? I'd rather multiple partners than one right now. Fuck, like in that 1 week I had sex with fucking that dog girl. Fucking Tommy and who else? Oh yeah, Tommy. And fuck me, get fucked 3 fucking different girls. I was like, oh.
And different area codes,
This is me.
different hoes and different area codes.
But at the end of the week, am I any happier? Not really, because it's not my style. I'd rather be with a woman. I'd rather be happy with a partner. That's what I'm looking for. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for. Good partner. I'd love to have that other young thing. But, only time will tell. It's a true God. I asked God to bring that little soul into my life. And I promised him that I'd take really good care of her and him. So let's see what God can do for me, right? Because that's what I really, really want right
Well, look at my sunburn of the day. That's fucking classic.
Did you get one? Yeah.
A little bit.
You did, actually.
I sure did. When I was in the water, I think, mostly.
I was too hot. I made the shit.
Yeah, I know. That was pretty funny. My kids loved the beach. And they did. They did. Oh, did you? Yeah, oh yeah. I got your coordinates in my Nava computer.
There you go. Life, eh, like? Wait till you hit my age, man. Oh my god. One of the things I text my wife one time when we split up there. The last time I said, you know, France, you're 62 years old. You got about 15 years left before this shit hits the fan, pretty much. I didn't say it in those words, but she told me, fuck you too. She never used those words before, eh? She never swore or anything, eh? She said, fuck you too. was glad I said that to her. You only got 15 years left. Why are you fucking with us? Why are you fucking with my life? Why are you fucking with us? Why can't you be us? Elvis pretty fucking something else. It is. It's quite the loneliness experience, but I've been here 6 years alone. Wait, 2015 or 2021? Yeah, 6 years. I've only been 6 years in May of this year. May 15th this year. 6 years.
That's impressive, my man. Logan's older than that. So, yeah. And when I look back when I was 7, that's what makes me go, wow.
You're pretty white compared to me, but
Oh yeah,
you're looking pink in the front though.
I'm a pink skin.
I see that. I gotta slap you later on.
Oh, if you do slap me, yeah, your handprint will stay right there.
I can
No,
see that.
it does.
I'll take a
Way
picture of
back
that.
when I used to go canoe trips and shit with another buddy and stuff, we fucking
Look at that joint.
and he fucking slapped me and left the handprint.
Oh, you're fucking pink now. I can see it. Holy shit.
I'm big skin.
That's from being just sitting in the water today, eh?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, when I used to go to the Canada hot tub, the wave pool, and I'd go in the hot tub, this is what like it would burn me from here, and I'd have a burn because it was so hot. Oh yeah, yours is cool. Yours is like a Hulk Hogan, fucking leather skin.
Hey, I don't like that.
Yeah, but your tone, he's got tone leather skin. It's all right.
Smooth,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
Nice and smooth.
exactly. I'm not downing it. I'm just saying that's how he fucking did it, and it was beautiful. But yeah, I'm fucking White Guns, Tommy White Guns.
Tell me what can I say?
Hey Rocky, I want to match with you.
You're a different character, Mike. That's what I like about you. I've never met nobody like you, man. Seriously. I think that's what makes you attractive. I'll tell you that.
Well, thank you.
I've never met nobody like you.
Cartoon made real life,
Almost.
you know.
Almost. Thank God you don't wear the fucking baseball hat crooked.
Yeah,
I
right.
have to kick your ass.
Vanilla Ice.
Yeah, I hate that one. The fucking pants hanging off your ass.
Hmm.
Oh man.
My
Were you a
sister
breakdancer, though?
used to.
Were you into breakdancing?
No, I just
My
did.
kid brother was.
Huh?
My kid brother was.
What? Huh? Yeah, never really. I knew some guys that got into it and shit, but no.
You know I can't sing. I'll bring Claire a nice bouquet of flowers tomorrow.
Whoop whoop.
So we'll be going right into Carlton Place first.
Yeah,
And
right.
directed to her house. I'm gonna call her, say I'm coming over. And we'll bring Claire a beautiful bouquet of flowers. I like her. I love her. Claire's a really nice woman. Fuck that up too. Well, she fucked up me and Brian, I think. That's what she did. Fucked up me and Brian, but anyway. Nice tight balls, does she, man? And a nice ass, nice tits, nice everything. She's funny, man. She's
Great.
a,
I like it.
very enjoyable.
Next episode,
Better
tits and
than-
ass.
better